Anything. Rebecca, open your mouth.
Don't say it out loud.
Anything. Taste it and write it down what you think it is. Naila, open your mouth and write down what you think it is.
I can't see.
It doesn't matter. Just write it down whatever
On the paper.
Oh my! This is not
Rebecca.
me.
You do not peek. It doesn't matter. Can you see anything, Rebecca?
Done.
Okay, ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Do you need a drink of water or are you good?
No, good.
Okay, next one.
We don't want
Write it down. What you think it is.
I don't know.
Write down what you think it is.
Oh, I know what this is.
Oh, that was,
I can't.
was that the
There's-
caterpillar brain?
There's a drink of water.
There.
Rebecca, do not peek. You're peeking.
I got it.
There's a drink of water if you need
I
it.
can feel it.
She got it.
Yeah.
Put it down. Do you need a drink of water?
No.
No?
I don't know what it is.
Okay. Ready for number 3?
Yes.
Rebecca, you can peek. You can see. I can see you peeking.
I'm not.
Okay. Number 3.
Oh.
She can see, right?
I would say so.
I'm not.
Ready for number 4? Is that
Yes.
too much?
No.
Ready for
I
4?
don't want spices.
It's not spices. Ready for 4? Ready for 4?
Do we know what it is?
This isn't hard because there's two things that are sour. I'm scared.
Of what?
How the taste is so bad.
You don't wanna? Do you not wanna do it?
I want to. How much rounds are they gonna be?
4. We're halfway done.
Yeah, there's 8. You halfway through.
Oh, that was really
Ready for 5?
Yes.
I have spoons.
That tastes so bad. No, that tastes so sour. I know. What did you choose?
Rebecca, stop playing with the blindfold.
Yeah, I think she's cheating. I think she can see.
Fix her blindfold.
My blindfold is falling off. It's itching.
Okay, how cover it?
Do it tight so she can't breathe.
No. I'm so scared. Done.
Can you see?
No. I can't see.
Okay, we're gonna do the test whether or not Nyla can see. Nyla, look at me real quick.
Choking me. I can't
That's
see.
what do you mean
That's
choke?
choking me.
Good.
That's choking me.
Leave it.
Rebecca, I'm coming for you. Yep, she can't see. She would have been screaming.
Okay, ready for 5? Let's finish it.
No, we just did.
Okay, number 5.
Oh, I'm so scared.
There's nothing to be scared of.
Hurry, it's crawling away, Agnieszka.
Jeff, stop. There's nothing really that's crawling.
Nothing
Open
really
up.
that's crawling, because it was crawling and it's dead now.
I don't know what this one is. I'm gonna go with. Number 6.
Okay, number 6.
I hear you laughing.
Open up. Six.
Give Becky her water.
Oh, Ah! Ah! Give me
Water,
I need water.
in front of you. That's only yummy stuff left. Don't worry. Two more.
Oh! Oh!
Two more and yummy left. I promise. That was the worst one. I had to do it.
Mommy's very mean for that.
Oh! That tastes so bad. Oh!
Okay, write down what it was.
I did. I don't even know what I'm writing. I don't know.
No, Rebecca, write it again. Hold on, let me give you another paper because I don't know what you wrote. Write it again. Okay, number 7. It's good, really. There's really yummy stuff left.
It's crawling away. Oh, there's a leg on there.
My blindfold keeps falling off.
There you go.
Ah.
Now, take your finger out of there.
I don't know what this is.
Take your screen.
One more left.
Is this gonna be bad?
No, it's really good, but I don't know if you're
Do I
gonna know
like
what it
it?
is. Yes, both of you love it. Definitely. I don't know if you're gonna
Do
know
Nyla
what it
first
is.
because her blindfold's falling.
Okay, Nyla goes first this time.
Perfect timing.
Okay, and cover it, Jeff. Open. Okay, write down what you think it is.
Ooh! Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Can I take off my blindfold?
Yes. Where did you put it? Oh, but
I don't know. I'll go with. How did I don't even know what I wrote. Wait, was that one mine?
that's yours, yes. Take your blindfold off.
Okay.
And we will do the first one.
I'll lose.
It was apples.
Yay! Yay!
Okay, let's do
B and then
Becky
just
and Naila. Apples and apples, 1 point. Number 2 was ranch. Becky didn't write anything. Naila wrote ranch, point for Naila. 3 was carrots. Carrots, carrots, point for both.
Yeah, pulling them.
4 was lemon. Good job, lemon.
Lemon. That was lemon.
Lemon, yes, both.
Now is winning.
Number 5, ready?
Oh!
5 was tomato. Tomato, Naila wrote tomato. And Rebecca wrote grass. That wasn't grass, dum-dum.
That tasted.
grass.
Number 6 was not salsa. That was mustard.
Oh,
what did
that's-
you write?
Yeah, that was mustard.
But you didn't write mustard.
Yeah, I don't know how to spell it.
But that's not mustard. What does that say?
I don't know. Nyla knew it was mustard.
I don't know how to spell it.
It was mustard. She knew exactly what it was against her.
Can we do another taste test?
No.
Number 7 was peanut butter. Good. And peanut butter. And 8 was sprinkles. And what did you write?
Nothing. The winner
What did you write? You
Nyla.
didn't, you
and the
didn't know what it
Divas
was?
Taste Test champion,
What did you write?
Nyla. She didn't know what it was.
I
Oh,
wrote
you
in
didn't know what it
nothing.
was?
No.